Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video and let's get practice about the Microsoft Excel again. So guys, so let's say in the situation you got the data like this. As you can see, this name contains a lot of spaces. As you can see here, there are two spaces between these two names, or between the first and the last name. And actually, you can manually remove that space like this, or give it a backspace. It is okay, but let's say if you have a lot of data and it will spend a lot of time to resolve it. So here in this video, I'd like to show you the faster way to remove the unnecessary spaces in the Microsoft Excel. So let's get into it. So the first step I would do, I think probably better to identify how many spaces that contains. There are two, as you can see, 1, 2 here. So the first step, the next step I will do is I will put my cursor into the another cell. Then I will tap the equal. Then I will tap substitute. Give it double click until it gives you the open parentheses, and you can click this cell that contains the name here on the cell of C4, then give it the semicolon, the open quotation, then I will give the two spaces from my keyboard, 1, 2, and also the close quotation. And after that, give it the semicolon again. Then this is the how many spaces that you want, because since in the previous there are two spaces, then the spaces that we want is only one, so we will only give the one space from my keyboard, one spaces here, then give it the close quotation, and after that you can close it or wrap it up with the close parenthesis and enter. And you can drag it down, and there you go. The rest of this name already removed of the unnecessary spaces. And let's say in the another case, as you can see here, this name contain, or there are three spaces between the first name and also the last name. I will count it for you. 1, 2, 3. So what we'll do, it is actually the same, guys. You can just type the equal and type the substitute again and click this cell that contains the name, give it the semicolon, open quotation, then we will give the initial spaces, or the amount of initial spaces. Because we have counted there are three spaces, then we will give the three spaces here, 1, 2, 3, and close it with the quotation again, semicolon, and also the how much of the space that we want to apply for this cell. Since we would like to give the only one space, then we will give the one space here, one space, and close it with the quotation again, and wrap it up with the close parentheses and enter. And there you go. The rest of the name can be drag it down, and this is the look if you use this function or this formula. Please don't forget to try it by yourself with your device and let us know if this formula also worked for you guys. That's all. I hope this video helpful for you. Please don't forget to give it the like and also subscribe this channel. And don't forget to visit our channel if you would like to know and watch more or a bunch of video tutorial. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.